What's up, you guys? I am back with another video. It's your favorite Michaela, and today your girl will be not decluttering her refrigerator. I don't know what I want to name it, but I'm basically gonna be like cleaning out my refrigerator, maybe throwing some stuff away, just stacking it up in the refrigerator. I don't know. Restock my refrigerator with me, I guess you could say. So that's gonna be the name of the video. But yes, you guys, your girl is gonna restock her refrigerator. I actually got some water on the way here, and I don't got that much juice, y'all. Believe it or not, baby, it's the end of the month, baby. We don't drink that juice up, but we are finna get everything out the refrigerator. Everything got the freezer, and y'all gonna come along and watch. I'm currently waiting on my water, but in the meantime, my bottle of water, my case of water, I'm currently waiting on that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out the refrigerator and stuff like that, and then we're gonna start rearranging and stuff, like, you know, maybe the juice go over here or whatever. I'm mainly going to be, yeah, they working on our apartment building too. But I'm mainly going to be working on like the shelves. I do need to take time out and actually like wipe my refrigerator out, but this not this type of video, and I don't feel like doing it. I really need to make time one day to actually sit down and wipe the refrigerator out. But I'm not gonna mess with the little drawers or nothing like that, because that stuff is still together, because I rarely give Mikhail them fruits and stuff like that. He might go in there and get them like this. He went and got this the other day, and I know he had to sit down and eat this with a spoon. He wanted to just eat it, I guess. I don't know, just to simmer that he hungry and stuff. But enough of all that talking. Let's go ahead and get into this video, and make sure y'all comment down below video ideas. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Michaela, and my son name is Mikhail. He's 4 years old, and I'm 22 years old. But yeah, I really got some energy, y'all. Like, I feel good today. I feel good, and that's a blessing to feel good. I thank God so much. But we're finna get this refrigerator cleaned out, okay? Like it. And I'm finna turn my music back on, so I will see y'all at the end of the video. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you.
disappoint myself 1,000 times. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah, you're perfect, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I'll never disappoint myself. I cried. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. You're perfect, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. If you wonder if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel so.
What you in a rush for? What you tryna meet your maker, darling? Or you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real, you really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You getting mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you're trying to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same all day. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your silent treatment, that mean no permission. Missionary getting boring, can you switch positions? Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no, no. I've been down, baby, every repetition, every other missing you. Wish it was even what it was. I've been down, baby, no one's in lying first. No one's seen no finding us. I've been down, baby, God bless you. And if you wonder if I hate you, I think I'm insane. God bless me. try to explain how I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand just how you love me doing no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love. When I talk to my friends so quietly, what we thinking? Look at what you did to me. These shoes don't even need to buy a new dress. If you ain't there, ain't nobody else to impress. It's the way that you know what I gotta do. It's the beat in my heart, 'cause when I'm with you. But I still don't understand just how you look and doing no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Mira. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing dizzy slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fucking night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. Know she wonder why when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Stare on myself with Jay and count my figure shit. Just kept stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit.
Believe it or not, you guys, it is hours later. Like, I started this video yesterday. Like, and the reason why I ended up finishing this morning at 8:18 is because I was doing hair yesterday. I ended up braiding somebody's hair yesterday. So, yeah, the video still got done for you guys. So, round of applause for me. But this is it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I love y'all so much. And stay tuned for my next video. Bye.